Today we're going to take a look at a very simple but effective bathroom and/or kitchen upgrade that can be installed in just a couple of minutes. This is a 360-degree swiveling and pivoting faucet adapter, and it comes with multiple adapters for a wide array of faucets, a few silicone gaskets for sealing everything, some Teflon tape, which is used if you use any of the gray adapters, and a wrench for tightening and loosening the faucet adapter. When it comes to installing the faucet adapter, every installation will be a bit different, but the vast majority of faucets have an aerator that is screwed on. Most of the time these are just hand tight and can be removed just by twisting with your fingers. Some of the nicer ones actually have wrench indentations and can be removed with an adjustable wrench, or likely even the wrench that this adapter comes with. Once the original aerator is removed, it's time to figure out which adapter, if any, is needed for your faucet. If the gray coupling is able to fit onto your original aerator, then the faucet adapter can fit just by itself. If it does not fit, simply try the different gray adapters until you find the one that does fit for your specific faucet. Once you have the correct adapter, you'll need to make sure you have the correct gasket set up for the adapter or it will leak, which you'll actually see happen on my initial install. In my case, my faucet did not have enough threads for it to seal against the single white silicone gasket. In my case, I had used the wrong gasket as I should have used the medium-sized white gasket like you see me use here. You want to make sure that the smaller end of the gasket goes into the faucet adapter with the wider end toward the top. This creates the sealing surface with the gasket and the faucet. During the tightening process, you may want a little more leverage before using the wrench. You can use the supplied Allen wrench to tighten the set screw on the faucet adapter so this piece cannot swivel, allowing you to more easily tighten the faucet adapter. Once you have the faucet adapter tightened down and it's not leaking, go ahead and make sure all of the joints move freely. If any of them are tight or don't want to move, use the supplied Allen wrench to loosen the set screws. As you can see, the faucet adapter is able to move in pretty much any direction and is rather convenient and cost-effective over installing a brand new faucet. In a bathroom scenario, it's convenient for being able to easily clean the vanity area, wash your face, fill larger buckets, cups, etc. And in a kitchen environment, it has similar uses, as well as being convenient for washing produce and vegetables, filling and cleaning larger containers, etc. The faucet does also have two different spray patterns, which is able to be switched to by simply twisting the spraying end of the faucet adapter. It'll click back and forth between the stronger pressured spray pattern that you originally saw and an aerated and more directed flow pattern to mitigate splashing during use. when I said that the spray pattern for the stronger pressurized spray was stronger. Great example here. Also, both me and my bathroom got quite wet doing this. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.